हेलो एवरीवन, टुडेज वीडियो इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. इट्स ऑल अबाउट वेट लॉस. सो आज जो मैं आपको आसन बताने वाली हूँ ये वेट लॉस के साथ साथ आपके नी पेन, बैक और स्पाइन की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के लिए भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू इट.
It improves condition capacity by expanding the chest, helps in the treatment of a slip disc. It alleviates the condition of a broken and deviated tailbone. It reduces fat around the hips and relieves lower backache. Do not practice this asana if you have a cardiac condition, heartburn or diarrhea. It relieves gastric indigestion, acidity in our stomach, improve the flexibility of our spine, alleviates backache. It strengthens the ankles, reduce discomfort during periods. Do not practice this asana if you have a high blood pressure, and do not turn your head up if you had a cardiac condition. It enhances the lung capacity, tone the muscles of the heart, and it improves digestion and help the elimination of waste. It reduces fat on the waist and hips. For cervical, do not turn your neck or look up. If you have a high blood pressure, avoid this asana. It helps to prevent hot flushes during menopause. Calms the brain and gently stimulates the nerves. Slow down the heartbeat. Reduces stiffness in the shoulder blades. It strengthens the ankles and tone the legs. If you are prone to dislocation of the shoulders, ensure that your arms do not rotate outward. Do not practice this asana in any advanced stage of pregnancy. It relieves backache, strengthens the back muscles and tone the abdominal muscles. It relieves acidity and improves digestion. It strengthens the bladder and corrects a displaced uterus. Do not practice this asana if you have high blood pressure or a cardiac condition.
Friends, I hope you're gonna try this yoga poses at your home. आप इसको मॉर्निंग में भी कर सकते हैं ऑफिस जाने से पहले. अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है तो आप इवनिंग में भी कर सकते हैं. और मैं यूजुअली आयुर्वेदिक से रिलेटेड होम रेमेडीज़ फॉर ब्यूटी एंड फॉर हेल्थ इंस्टा पे पोस्ट करती हूँ, तो आप मुझे इंस्टा पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं फॉर क्विक रेमेडीज़. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe me. If you have any question related to weight loss or any tips you want, so please let me know. Please comment down below. I love to hear from you. Till then, bye. Take care.